Hey guys, Mater 35 here, BoxBusters.tv. Guys, we're doing 2 boxes, 2015 Topps Chrome. Guys, this is break number 1. This was for February 29th, 2016. We're going to bust it tonight right now, so break number 1. Guys, for me being late today, I'm going to throw this in. I'm going to randomize this right now with all 32 teams are in play. A.J. McCarron, not too bad of a card. I think it's 10 to 15 bucks just to throw in for me being late today. So the winner's going to get that. And here we go. We're going to do this right now. Here we go. I'm going to click it 8 times, guys. Here we go. 1. See 32 teams. Seahawks are on top. 2. Falcons. 3. Bengals. 4. Browns. 5. Panthers. 6. Chiefs. 7. Jets. 8th and final time, guys. 8th and final time. Here we go. And the winner is Panthers. 8 times Panthers. Congratulations. You get A.J. McCarron thrown in with your package. Thank you so much, guys. Panthers. Chrome 2015 number 1. So congratulations to the Panthers. There you go. You get that card thrown in with the break. Thank you again, guys. Sorry again for me being late. A little bit of freebie. All right, let's get started. Guys, when you get a chance, please subscribe to my channel. Here we go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. JD, it was just a freebie. JD, it was just a freebie for you guys for being late for my break today for you. So I just threw it in there. Here we go. Box 1. Good luck, guys. Guys, go ahead and chat amongst each other. How's everybody's day today? It feels like chat. I'm good, Fluffy. Thanks for asking. What's up, TMD? MES, Fluffy. You guys see some of those crazy releases today in the NFL and signs and franchise tags? Murray got franchise tags. Or, yeah, not Murray. I mean Von Miller. Excuse me, Murray. Von Miller got franchise tag today. Got it for the Panthers. Mario Williams got released. Lazy day. Alright, box 1. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And we are off. We got some pink coming up. Cameron Artist Payne, pink. $3.99 for the Panthers. Matt Jones rookie refractor. Alfred Morris for the Redskins. Strong got busted with A little bit of wheat over the weekend. Jalen Strong for the Texans. Nelson for the Eagles. Refractor, Josh Robinson for the Colts. And Nate Prism for the Browns. Let's keep rolling. Brandon Marshall refractor for the Jets. Ty Montgomery for the Packers. That's pretty cool. Green, Devontae Parker for the Dolphins. Refractor, Collins for the Falcons, excuse me. 50th anniversary, Mean Joe Green for the Steelers. Alright, here we go. Got some shiny coming up. That's pretty cool. Got a $4.99 camo, Jeremy Langford. Camo rookie, the Bears. Nice card. Great catch. What do we got? Wow, is this it? What is this? Oh, pretty cool. 22 out of 50. Thought maybe it was a super there for a second. For the Broncos. John Elway, very nice. Congratulations to the Broncos. Very nice insert. 22 of 50 for the Broncos. Cool. Refractor, Jonathan Stewart. Panthers, rookie, Brett Hundley. Blue, out of 100. 199, excuse me. Blue, Troy Polamalu for the Steelers. Refractor, Blake Bortles, Jaguars. Devontae Parker, super rookie for the Dolphins. Let's keep rolling. Here we go. Last, we still have not hit the hit yet. Here we go. Amari Cooper for the Raiders. Allen Green for the Ravens. Blue, Amir Abdullah for the Lions. And pink out of 75, Ben for the Jaguars. Hopefully the next box is a little better than that. Congratulations to the Jaguars. But the Jaguars got a hit, so. The Jaguars. Pink. 46 of 75. Alright. Make sure you guys still with me. Alright, let's finish out box one. Stefan Diggs. Fractor, Lorenzo. For the Jets, Mike Davis, rookie. Alright guys, that was box one. Box one, here we go. Box two coming up. Good luck. Alright, box two. Here we go. bet. The Banksters, what's up? Guys, I got auctions ending tonight for breaks. We're hopefully a go, as long as everybody all pays. Hopefully we'll see you later tonight as well. Last pack, here we go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Alright. Josh Harper for the Raiders refractor. Deion Sanders. That's funny. Just a chillin' now, honey. Rashard Perryman for the Ravens. Refractor, Duke Johnson for the Browns. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Kevin White. That's pretty cool for the Bears. Dante Fowler Jr. for the Jaguars. Cam Newton for the Panthers. Drew Brees, refractor for the Saints. Amari Cooper, rookie for the Raiders. Winston, super rookie for the Buccaneers. And Max Williams, camo, $4.99 for the Ravens. All right. Here we go. DeMarco Murray, refractor for the Eagles. Duke Johnson, super rookie for the Browns. Stefan Diggs, super rookie for the Vikings. Todd Gurley, green for the Rams. Demaryius Thomas, blue out of $199 for the Broncos. And Mike Evans, refractor for the Buccaneers. Chris Conley, super rookie for the Chiefs. And that's it. Let's keep rolling. Last tag, guys. Here we go. Carlos Williams on card. Not too bad. Seen better. I've seen where's the Bills, huh? Did you just say where's the Bills and you pulled the Carlos Williams? Oh, that's hilarious. Where's the Bills? Carlos Williams, rookie on card. For my Lube. Call you Lube. For my Lube. Carlos Williams. On card. Nice card. Tyler Lockett, refractor. Seahawks. And blue. Golson for the Steelers. Matt Jones, refractor for the Redskins. Excuse me. Allen, rookie. There we go. Todd Gurley for the Rams. Devontae Parker, rookie for the Dolphins. Oh, another Todd Gurley. Gurley rookies for the Rams. All right, guys. Let's show you the hits. Here we go. Thank you so much for joining. John Elway out of 50 for the Broncos. Ben for the Jaguars. Pink refractor. And Carlos Williams for the Bills. Guys, Mater 35er, BoxBusters.tv just completed a 2-box break. 2015 Topps Chrome Football. Guys, thank you so much for joining. Again, also Panthers, congratulations on the freebie, AJ McCarron. Guys, thank you so much for joining in my breaks. Hopefully we'll see you around. Appreciate you guys sticking with me. And if you have any questions, go ahead and message me on eBay. I'll do my best to respond to you. Get a lot of messages. Thanks, guys.